Welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video I'm going to compare Powtoon with the Toonly. In case you wondering what is a Powtoon, it is a cloud-based solution to create 2D animation videos, doodle videos, marketing or promotional videos, all in one. On the other side, Toonly is a desktop software. Using it you can create 2D animation videos. So in this video I'm just going to compare Powtoon's 2D animation video features with the Toonly, because probably that's the comparison you are looking for, because Toonly can't create marketing and other kind of stuff. And one more important thing, if you stick to the end, I have a surprise or a bonus for you. So here, as you can see, I'm in the Toonly, and I have also logged in into the Create Studio. Let me just go back so we can create a video from scratch. In the Toonly, I will click on the new video, then I will type any name, it doesn't matter. One more important thing, Toonly, although it is a software, but still it is a cloud-based solution. So if you are going to use your own maze, your own stuff, then this character or whatever is available in the Toonly, then it is going to upload on their server. So let me just pick a random thing to show you. So this random image, as you can see, save and upload, it is going to upload on their server. Now the disadvantage of being a software and cloud-based solution is that, let's say that you are creating a video and your video is incomplete and you have other important thing to do. So what are you going to do? You are going to save the project so you can create rest of the part maybe in the evening. When evening you will open your project again, everything, characters, background, everything whatever you have added is again going to download from the internet. So guys, make sure you have a decent internet connection. You don't need a really strong internet connection, but make sure you have a decent internet connection. You have pre-made scenes, these things are isn't helpful. I mean, first of all, they are limited in the numbers and they can't do a lot of things. Let me just show you a one preview. So it's downloading from the internet. As you can see, loading. This is your preview screen. Okay. Not a big thing. Everything is similar to it, maybe 5 seconds video. So it's not helpful. We have a lot of backgrounds, characters. On the other side, if we talk about Powtoon, first of all, it will show you a template that do you want to use any template and customize according to your need. If you're going to create a video ad or promotional kind of stuff, then its templates are really helpful, because these templates are really amazing. And you can also import your PowerPoint presentation to convert into a video, but I will go with the blank Powtoon. Now it is asking me about what kind of video you are looking for, a whiteboard, cartoon, infographic, if you want to show some kind of data or a real video. Of course you can mix all of things in a one video, that's possible too. So what I will go with the modern edge cartoons. Here I am, as you can see, and all the important assets are available in the right side. In the Toonly, these things are available in the left side bar, as you can see. So let's also, if we go to the characters, one thing that I love about Powtoon is you can customize your characters according to your needs. Not every character is customizable, but a lot of characters available in the Cosmo family and some other things can be customized according to your need. What I mean by customization, you can change their clothes, maybe facial color and some other things. Let me just show you a demo, it's not a big thing. So here we are. You can also add your own logo if you upgrade to their premium plans. So you just need to select, and you can also change their colors. As you can see, why it's not changing, I don't know, because there are so many different colors. So if we, that's the thing is, you can also change bottom, and you can also change shoes and face expression and some things with the fingers as well. If you click on the preview, it will show you a preview what kind of character you will look like while actions, and you can save, so you can use the rest of for your other projects. But I don't want to save it. You have a lot of text templates. Of course you can add a simple text, but you will also get a lot of text templates in the Powtoon. As you can see, I just expanded this design title. If we compare with the Toonly, I am in the enterprise. I mean, this is their higher end plan, and we have only 5 text templates. These things can be customized little bit, but definitely Toonly is lacking in the text template. That's not even a doubt. If we compare the number of characters and some other maybe prop images or assets, whatever you say, shapes, whatever available in the Powtoon with the Toonly, then Powtoon is the winner, because you will get a lot of number of characters and other assets. But if you are just getting started with the animation videos and you really don't want to make a complicated video, then the Toonly isn't a bad option, because all the important type of characters, maybe you are looking for child, doctor, whatever you are looking for, you will get inside the Create Studio. As you can see, so drag and drop this character. These are the characters action. As you can, we can change it if we click on that settings icon. So here maybe thinking, and objects are also limited, that's no doubt, but you can upload your own object. Maybe you can find some random images on the internet and then you can import inside your video. You have some background music as well. One thing that I want to discuss about Powtoon is you will get a stock footage in the Powtoon. Of course, you can upload your own image, but you have some premium images that you can buy, or you have also some free images. You see, same thing is true for the video and background music as well. One thing that I miss or don't like about Create Studio is so we have poses. Character action is known as poses in the Powtoon. So of course you will get a lot of character poses. But let's say that you want to create a video when he is walking from the left hand side and then he wave his hand or maybe shake his hand. That thing is not possible. So what you have to do, once that previous action is complete, or a character previous action is complete and character disappear, then you have to add the same character again and assign a new action. That's what you can do if you want to add another action once the previous action is complete. What in the Toonly, you have this plus button where you can add another action immediately after the previous action is ended. So here this child is or man is thinking, or here actually it was okay, here he is clapping, as you can see. Very simple. So guys, I have talk about all the important features of Toonly and the Powtoon. I mean, the Toonly, you have a number of limited text templates. You can't customize, that's okay, but you can't import your own videos. You can import your photos as well. And in the Powtoon is a good aspect. Only one thing that you can't add another action once the previous action is complete. Now I want to talk about the price, and this is a very important thing, so make sure you pay attention to this part. Powtoon has a free plan. Right now I am using their free plan. In the free plan you will have a watermark, branding, or a video length is also limited. Your storage for your own photos and videos is also limited. Okay, they have their paid plans as well. Their monthly plans, I mean, they are making no sense to me. So they are kind of pushing everyone to go with their annual subscription. There is a 14 days refund policy with the Powtoon, but if you exported a video, then you can't get a refund. So they don't want to give a refund to anyone. If we compare the Pro and Pro Plus plan, as you can see, you have limited of 5 premium videos per month, and here you have unlimited, and video length is also limited. A lot of characters are also limited for the Pro plan. So they really push everyone to go with their Pro Plus plan or with the agency plan. On the other side, if we talk about Toonly, sometimes they run ad on the Facebook and the Google where they offer a one-time fee subscription of their standard plan at a cost of $67, and if you upgrade to that plan, then you have an upsell of enterprise plan that will cost you additionally $97. Right now I'm in the enterprise plan, but that ad isn't always running, maybe running. I didn't find that ad at this moment. So they have their monthly plan and annual plan as well. As you can see, there is of course you will pay less if you go with their annual plan, and all the difference between their standard and the enterprise plan on your screen. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is this, that if you can afford the Powtoon, just go with it. It's definitely better than the Toonly tool. But let's say that you can't afford Powtoon because it is expensive. But more important thing that I forget to talk about the Powtoon pricing is when you renew your Pro Plus plan, it will cost you $59 every month. If you didn't, the Toonly is definitely they are overcharging what they are offering in their service. So what is the solution? Solution is my recommendation is Create Studio. If you can't afford Powtoon and you are looking for a better solution than a Toonly, then I will suggest to go with the Create Studio. It will cost you $67. There are few upsells as well, but first I want to show you its demo, then we talk about its full funnel or all the upsells. Okay, so here I am in the Create Studio. You also get pre-made templates with the Create Studio. Let me just show you some templates. So right now I'm on their $67 deal. So let's preview this template. Yeah, just leave it. Don't you think it is amazing? But we will create something from the scratch. I will click on create new project, and here simple things, create new project. In the Create Studio, you can import your own photos and audio as well. Plus, you can also import your own videos. And there is a Pixels API. If you click on that media library, so no need to use Google every time. You can directly import your images from the Pixels. If you don't know Pixels, whatever how you call it, it is a free stock media website. If we go to the studio, then my internet connection is not enough strong right this moment. So we have pre-made scenes, we have characters. In the Create Studio, you will get 3D characters. Either Powtoon or Create Studio, you are not getting 3D characters. Let me first of all use an background, maybe a 3D background, Toonly. And one more important thing, once you have downloaded something inside the Create Studio, maybe background, whatever it is going to save on your computer. You can use as many projects as you want, not like Toonly, where you have to download everything again and again. Now we are going to use a character. So this is we have a undo button. So this is our character. By the way, this full background thing, everything can be customized. Okay, let me just show you. So everything, from chair, whatever you want to customize with the characters, you can import another action once the previous action is complete. Maybe talking to phone. So let's have a preview. Falling asleep. In the Create Studio, you can create animation videos, but you can also create promotional kind of videos as well. And there is one very important thing available in the Create Studio, that is motion tab. So it's like a built-in kind of animation. Maybe if I applied this one, let me just show you. This thing now arrive from the left hand sidebar. Yeah, see, and this thing can be applied to any object. Either you have a character, text templates, background, your own video footage, or your own photo, whatever. You can apply this thing to anything, or you can also create your own animation from a scratch. Maybe you want to change a color, or you want to change a position. You can do all kind of stuff in the Create Studio.